Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of one of the healthiest vegetables on the planet, broccoli. First, let's talk about the incredible health benefits of broccoli. 1 cup of broccoli provides over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs and is also rich in vitamin K, fiber, and antioxidants. Host, as S1, vitamin C boosts your immune system, while vitamin K plays a crucial role in bone health. The high fiber content aids in digestion, and antioxidants help fight off harmful free radicals in your body. Fun fact, did you know that broccoli belongs to the cabbage family and is a close relative to Brussels sprouts, kale, and cauliflower? Host, as S1. And here's a fun one. Broccoli was first cultivated in Italy over 2,000 years ago and was introduced to the United States in the 1920s by Italian immigrants.
Now let's move on to some quick cooking tips. Broccoli is incredibly versatile. You can steam it, roast it, stir-fry it, or even eat it raw in salads. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. For a quick and tasty side dish, try this. Roast your broccoli with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. Bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for about 20 minutes until it's tender and slightly crispy. There you have it. A delicious and nutritious side dish ready in no time. Remember, incorporating broccoli into your diet can have numerous health benefits, and with so many ways to prepare it, you'll never get bored.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more healthy eating tips and recipes. Let us know in the comments how you like to prepare your broccoli.
Happy cooking and stay healthy.